Will software developers lose their jobs if AI starts coding? We are now living in the age of artificial intelligence AI, and many software developers worry that they won't be able to remain competitive. Although it would be simple to dismiss their worries about the future of their industry as another instance of the Luddite fallacy that new technology merely alters the distribution of jobs in the economy rather than destroying them, several signs paint a much grimmer picture for the future of software developers. Growing concerns. A group of experts at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory of the U.S. Department of Energy believe that there is a good chance that AI may replace software developers as early as 2040. The combination of machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and code generation technologies will advance in such a way that machines, rather than humans, will write the majority of their code by 2040, according to the researchers. Programming trends suggest that software development will undergo a radical change in the future, they write. It makes sense that software developers are concerned. Almost 30% of the 550 software developers polled by Evans Data Corporation, a software development-focused market research company based in California, think artificial intelligence will eventually replace their development work. The fear of obsolescence brought on by AI, according to Janelle Garvin, CEO of Evans Data, was also more threatening than growing old without a pension, being stifled at work by bad management, or by seeing their skills and tools become irrelevant. How AI has altered the world of software development. In recent years, AI has had a considerable impact on the software development industry, bringing about several noteworthy improvements and advancements. Here are some examples of how AI has impacted software development. Productivity and automation. Automation of different software development jobs has been made possible by AI, increasing productivity and efficiency. AI-powered tools, for instance, can help find and repair bugs, rewrite code, and generate code snippets automatically. Developers can focus on more difficult and important parts of software development while saving time thanks to this automation. Tests and quality control. The processes for testing and quality control have been enhanced using AI. Code analysis, vulnerability detection, and test case generation are all capabilities of AI-based testing solutions. To identify portions of code that are more likely to have defects, machine learning techniques are used to learn from the results of previous tests. This aids in the early detection and correction of problems, resulting in higher quality software. Processing of natural language (NLP). Significant progress has been achieved in the interpretation and processing of human language by NLP, a branch of AI. The creation of chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice-activated interfaces has been impacted by NLP technologies. By enabling users to communicate with software systems using natural language, these apps improve user experiences and provide new opportunities for software development. Personalization and wise recommendations. Huge volumes of data can be analyzed by AI algorithms to produce wise suggestions and customized software experiences. For instance, e-commerce platforms use AI-powered recommendation systems to make product recommendations based on customer preferences and browsing history. Similar to this, AI can tailor user interfaces, content, and features depending on unique user patterns and behavior, making decisions based on data. Machine learning and other AI approaches have made it possible for software developers to make decisions based on data thanks to the growing availability of data. Large datasets can be analyzed using machine learning algorithms, which can then be used to forecast the future. This benefits developers in several ways, including user behavior prediction, performance optimization, and security enhancement. It's crucial to remember that despite the breakthroughs in automation that AI offers to software development, it cannot take the position of qualified human software engineers. Designing reliable systems, guaranteeing ethical considerations, and comprehending the larger context of software development initiatives still require human expertise. Software developers to be replaced by tools. The creation of AI-driven applications is made possible by several frameworks and technologies that are frequently used in software development. Here are a few of the more well-liked ones. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a Google-developed open-source package that is frequently used for creating and refining deep learning models. It supports a large number of platforms and devices and offers a versatile and complete environment for the creation of different AI applications. Another well-liked open-source deep learning framework is PyTorch, which has a dynamic computational graph that facilitates model experimentation and debugging. It is frequently used for research and quick AI model prototyping due to its popularity and simplicity. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a Python machine learning toolkit that offers a variety of methods and tools for projects including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. It is frequently used for conventional machine learning applications and provides a straightforward and consistent API. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural network API that utilizes backend engines such as TensorFlow or others. It is well liked by beginners and researchers because it provides a simple interface for creating and training neural networks. The abstraction layer offered by Keras makes it easier to build and experiment with neural networks. A well-liked toolset for creating and contrasting reinforcement learning algorithms is called OpenAI GYM. It offers a selection of training and assessment settings and resources for reinforcement learning agents. The reinforcement learning research and experimental tool OpenAI GYM is widely utilized. Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks are web-based interactive environments that let programmers create and share documents with live code, visuals, and explanatory prose. For data exploration, prototyping, and disseminating research results, they are frequently utilized in the AI field. Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK) is a Python toolkit that offers resources and methods for interacting with data from human language. For applications like tokenization, stemming, part-of-speech tagging, and sentiment analysis, it offers a variety of functions. In tasks involving NLP, NLTK is frequently employed. Spark Apache Big Data Processing is made possible by Apache Spark, a distributed computing architecture that offers a unified analytics engine. It supports machine learning and graph processing methods and provides effective data processing capabilities. When managing enormous datasets for large-scale data analysis and AI applications, Spark is frequently used. Will there still be a need for software engineers in the future? It seems doubtful that software programmers will be completely replaced by AI shortly, despite the potential for artificial intelligence, AI, to automate some processes and have an impact on a variety of industries. This is why. Addressing complicated problems. Software engineering entails devising algorithms, creating elaborate software systems, and addressing challenging challenges. Although AI can help in automating some repetitive jobs and streamlining processes, human skill is still needed to envision, plan, and design large software solutions that adhere to strict specifications. Innovation and creativity. Designing user interfaces, coming up with original user experiences, and inventing cutting-edge algorithms are all examples of how creativity and innovation are frequently used in software engineering. Although AI may produce solutions based on patterns and data already there, it's currently unable to match human ingenuity and intuition. Ethics-related matters. Software engineers are in charge of making sure that the software they create complies with moral requirements, protects privacy, and eliminates prejudices. Due to the potential for AI systems to unintentionally perpetuate biases or operate in ways that are inconsistent with human values, these ethical considerations necessitate human judgment and decision-making. Software engineers are essential to ensuring that ethical standards are upheld during the entire software development process. Flexibility and awareness of context. Software developers can adapt to changing requirements and have a contextual understanding. To gather requirements, comprehend business demands, and develop software solutions that are in line with particular settings, they collaborate closely with stakeholders. While artificial intelligence (AI) can help with data analysis and pattern identification, human software engineers are better able to comprehend complex situations, come to wise conclusions, and modify software systems as necessary. Communication and cooperation. Collaboration between clients, end users, and cross-functional teams is common in software engineering. Successful software development depends on effective teamwork, communication, and a grasp of the demands of many stakeholders. For these collaborative endeavors, human software engineers are essential because they provide interpersonal skills and subject matter knowledge. Although AI will continue to have an impact on the area of software engineering, it is more likely to complement software engineers' work than to completely replace it. Automation of tedious chores, code optimization, and assistance with particular facets of software development are all possible with AI. However, software engineers' abilities and knowledge will always be important for creating complicated systems, maintaining quality, addressing moral issues, and promoting innovation. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.